Hey y'all, I'm Bubba the Redneck, and today I'm gonna learn you something new on your iPhone. So come on, let's get it, come on! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make folders on your iPhone to put your apps in so that you can organize your home screen. Makes it a whole lot easier if you put all your apps of the same type in a folder and name that folder. And then every time you download one, you're able to just take it and put it right into a folder where it fits and it makes sense. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Get your phone all organized where all the stuff that you use the most is on your home page. Let's get started. All right, y'all. I got 4 tattoo apps right here, and we're going to make a folder named Tattoo, and we're going to put all 4 of them in there. Here we go. The way you do it is you just touch one of your apps and hold it until that right there pops up. And then you're going to touch Edit Home Screen, and they all go squiggly. Squiggly! And then you're going to grab one of them and drag it over the top of the other one and let go. And it automatically makes a folder for you. And we're going to hit the little X right here, and we're going to rename that Tattoo. Okay? Hit done down here at the bottom. All right? And then tap outside of that folder, and it'll go back to where it's supposed to be. Now, we're going to grab the other 2 tattoo apps, and we're going to drag them right there into that folder. And once all your tattoo apps is in there, hit done up at the top. Now, in the place of 1 app, you got 4 apps inside that folder. But you can put a whole lot more apps inside that folder. In fact, you can do pages and pages of apps inside that folder. So that's why I say it helps a lot to do this and organize your phone. Some people got 100 games on their phone, but if they just put one folder that said games, they could put all their games inside of that folder. So that's what I'm trying to show you, how to organize your phone like this. All right, so now I got 4 gun apps right there. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to make another folder, name it guns, put all 4 of them in it, and then I'm going to show you how to organize the whole home screen. All right, so once again, we just going to tap and hold one of them and hit edit home screen, and then drag one of them over the top of the other one and name our folder guns. And hit done down here at the bottom, then tap outside the folder so it goes back where it's supposed to be, and then we're going to drag the other 2 gun apps right there into it, and then hit done up at the top. All right, now the other thing is you can touch and hold the folder, hit edit home screen, and then you can move your folder and put it where you want to put it and hit done. So now I got those 2 folders up there side by side. All right. Now, I'm going to show you on my other phone what my home screen looks like completely organized. Hey y'all, if you don't mind real quick, if you would hit that subscribe button and the like button down there. It don't cost you anything, but it really does help me. And one thing I wanted to try real quick, my crack team in my research and development, they came up with something. They got an electrode off of an EKG machine at the hospital, and they connected it directly to my subscribe button. And they told me if I put this thing on, and then when somebody hits the subscribe button, it tickles me. Ooh, there must be a bunch of people hitting it right now. Man, I had to take that off. I sure appreciate y'all hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Now let's get back to your learning. All right, y'all. As you can see, this is my other iPhone right here. It's already got several folders created on the home page. I'm going to show you a couple things here. You know, you can see like I got a weather folder. It's got all my weather apps in it. I only have a couple of search engines that I use. But some of them, like my store app, you can see it's got a couple of pages in here of different stores. Same thing with my TV folder. It's got quite a bit of stuff in it. And I got quite a bit also inside my work folder. And I got a food folder right here. You can open that up And I got a couple pages of stuff in here. You know, I got Uber Eats and Grubhub and DoorDash. Man, you can just about get anything delivered to your house with all of them right there. You know, or a pizza, man, a Taco Bell, and you can research and read reviews on everybody on Yelp. And man, I tell you what, all kinds of food right there.
Man, I'm gonna have to order something to eat now. I done made myself hungry.
So there's a lot of things you can do with folders, like I said, to be able to clean up your screen. The other thing I wanted to show you, and of course, this is all real personal. Everybody, you know, is going to want to set their phone up differently. But I keep my top Apple apps, my important stuff I use all the time up here at the top. Got my calendar, my app store, photos, settings, clock, camera, and then notes and reminders. And if you think that, you know, if you don't hardly use notes and reminders, I'm going to show you in some other videos that you're going to want to start using those, because that's two of the most useful apps that is on your iPhone. I'm here to tell you. All right. But anyway, down here on your dock, you know, you always want to make sure that your phone and probably your messages are on there, so that it don't matter what page you're on, they stay the same. And I got my email down there, which I have multiple email accounts inside the Apple email app. And then right here, I got my browsers. I use different browsers sometimes, right? Just depends on what I'm doing and what sites I'm looking at. But anyway, y'all, that's how to organize your phone to where everything that you use is easy to find. It's in folders, and you really want most of your common, often used apps on your home page. Well, y'all, I hope you learned something today new about your iPhone. And if you don't mind, once again, hit that subscribe button and like button down there, and hit the bell notification. That way you'll get a notification every time I post a new video, and you can come on back and learn something new about your iPhone. I sure do appreciate y'all. And in closing, I just want to tell you, y'all, if you can't laugh at yourself, don't worry. Somebody else probably is. See ya!